So now we're going to get into my top 5 albums of the year.
Low Uzi Vert, to be exact. And I'm not from Earth, I'm from outer space. Well, that's different.
2020 is wrapping up. It's been a crazy ass year. Crazy! And the music has been, well, In terms of the trap hip hop scene, it's been but you know, we still got bangers, we still got albums that hit. So let's get into it. Let's get it. 2020 best in music. Here we go. Number 5, we got A Written Testimony by Jay-Z and Jay Electro. Like I said, that shit fire, bro. The instrumentals, my favorite, some of my favorite songs off that. The Blinding Lights with Travis Scott, Slap, Flux Calipractor. The instrumentals was like, and Rihanna, sample from Rihanna. And then Savage Mode 2, Chopped Up Not Slapped Up. I think, yeah, Chopped Not Slapped is really making his way into music this year, and Savage Mode 2 was good, but the chopped version with Slim K and DJ Don C. Slap, man. I get it. Chop not slap is like, you know, some people like it, some people don't. For real, I get you. But when you really get into that sound, it's so fun. It is like such a, you can hear every single thing that is being produced, and then when you play it back, like normally, you can kind of like understand like the beat production and like all that. 21 Savage is like pretty solid like as a rapper. Like he's really built his game up over the past 4 years. Like, you know, he's really gotten better and better. And then, you know, working with Metro Boomin over the past 4 years, like they say, this is like the perfect combination to make a solid album off of their sound. And then to remix it with the slowdown is just like, yeah. And then of course we got Love vs. the World 2 or Eternal Take. I've been waiting, you know, 2 years for that album. And I told myself, when that album drops, my life will change. And it dropped like March 14th, March 15th when COVID happened. So yeah, that pretty much changed my life. So I've been listening to it ever since. I think like Venetia is really good. Leaders is really good. Cause EA, honestly, I just did not like it at all. I mean, Uzi rapping is dope. Like, Uzi wants to go hard and rap, yeah, I get you. But I'm more of, like I said, the fun, playful, tinkering with the sound, going crazy, mixing it up, mashing it up. And that's what he started doing in, you know, Love is Rage 2. I mean, Love vs. the World 2 with the other, and then How I Am Feeling Right Now is number 2 on my list, goddamn. Charlie XCX really hit that shot in the park this year with that album. It is like this. I think this is the lane I want to go into, more electronic sounding stuff, because it's like pop, but then like she really makes it explode. That was really corny, but like the majority of the entire album is like easy. It's not easy to listen to. You're gonna have to spend your time listening to it, but C 2.0 is like a slap. There's also 7 Years, Forever, Claws. Just the whole album is like her sound. She has a unique supersonic sound. Kind of reminds me of like Kid Super and like Pharrell, but like very obviously pop version. And it's like really dope. So that came in at number 2. And then my favorite album of the 2020s, the 2020 year is 3/15/20. And it's just so indicative of, like I said, the vibe of this year. I've been on this meditation mode, this spiritual awakening mode throughout the whole year, and the first song, 0.00, is like a meditation, and it just sounds, it's like a great way to start an album. Well, I can say there's a lot of different inspirations throughout the album, from Kanye West to Snake Hips to, you know, Alicia Keys, like all the different types of like sounds and rhythms, you know, all add up to something great. But yeah, that's definitely my favorite album this year. More of a sense of it being like a classic in my head. That's why I picked it. But thank you for watching. 2021 will hopefully be a better year. in music. Hopefully we get some Playboi Carti, you know, some Kanye West, whatever we can get. But I mean, not to say this year was actually pretty good. I pretty much enjoyed the music throughout the year. It kept me going for sure because at times, you know, shit was getting down, but music always brought it up. And yeah, that's it for 2020 music. Yeah. Farmers market. I've been honestly wanting to get into better foods because, you know, food is like essential to life, and everything in like just America just seems really, you know, just so processed. So finding something like this is actually a blessing, and I'm gonna get 5 things, $5, 5 tokens worth of things. They have a lot of different foods here. Let's see what they got. I think I've decided what I'm getting with my 5 little tokens. Yeah, mushrooms are so fire. If you cook them right. What's the differences? What we got here?
Taki, oyster,
Okay.
mini,
Okay.
and king oyster. Shimeji, good for pasta. Minuki is good for soup.
Okay.
It tastes like meat.
Like meat?
Yeah, I have a
Oyster, mushroom. Oh, that one? Okay. But maybe we'll go with this one,
Yeah, it's delicious.
Baby Bella. 2, 3, 4, 5.
And you can put it here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Would you like?